this is In the Kitchen with Yolanda, and today I'm going to be baking fudge mini brownies, and all you need is 6 simple ingredients. So the ingredients that you will need are Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix, 2 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water, a Hershey milk chocolate bar, and confectionery sugar. So I'm gonna be adding 2 eggs. I'm gonna start mixing a little bit. This is a very simple recipe. I make it for special occasions. We're gonna add a half a cup of the vegetable oil. And we can also start adding the water as well. 1, 2, 3. I prefer to use a bowl and a whisk to do this, but you can, if you like, you can also use a stand mixer or a hand mixer to make it easier for you. But this is the way I've always made these brownies. So we're just gonna keep mixing until everything is incorporated. Make sure there's no brownie dry mix on the bottom. And if you feel like you need to add a little bit of more water, you can. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so this is well incorporated and well mixed. And now we're gonna use the secret ingredient, which is the Hershey milk chocolate. Now I'm gonna be cutting the Hershey bar into small pieces, because this is the secret ingredient. I'm gonna be cutting them into small little pieces. Also, this recipe, you can use Hershey Kiss, you could use walnut, you can use Snicker bar, whatever you prefer. But I like it with the Hershey chocolate because it comes out very fudgy and gooey. Couple more pieces. And I'm going to bring it here to this bowl. And then I'm going to show you how to put everything together. I already have my oven preheated to 350. So what you're going to need next is a muffin cupcake tin. As you can see, this one is very beat up, worn down. I've used it for a while and I love it. You're also gonna need mini cupcake liners as well. I like to utilize a measuring cup to pour out the batter because it makes it very easy. So right now what I'm gonna be doing is putting some batter here on my measuring cup, and I'm just gonna be filling the tins halfway. Just like this. Just like that. Because we want to place the Hershey chocolate right in the center. Keep going. Okay. I'm gonna leave it here halfway and then I'm gonna show you. Now you're gonna put the piece of Hershey Kiss right in the center. And then you're gonna get more batter. To put on top. Finished everything. Now this is gonna go into the oven at 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that you don't over bake these because if not, they're gonna become very tough. You want them to be gooey. In the oven they go. And these are done, and I'm gonna continue doing another batch. I'm gonna remove the brownies now because if you keep them in a tin, they're gonna continue cooking and we want them to be very gooey. So I'm gonna put them here on a plate and then I'll show you the final results. So this is how the brownie came out, gooey in the center. If you want the brownie to be less gooey, you can leave it in the oven for an extra 5 more minutes. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the powdered sugar, the confectionery sugar. You could add as much sugar as you like, it's up to you. But you would need a sifter in order for you to place the powdered sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I like a lot. I actually like it to be covered. Okay, now I'm gonna add the second batch. I'm gonna add more sugar. And this is the final result. Now I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Look how gooey that is. delicious. Let me know if you guys try this recipe. Wow, it's really good. You guys are not gonna regret it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more recipes.
This has been an episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Now you can get back to whatever it is you were doing. She's done.
Make sure you subscribe. You better like, share,
Hit that notification bell.
And comment down below.